Warren Buffett rejects about 99 out of every 100 companies he looks at, often in seconds. He does it with a simple 4-question checklist, and today you are going to learn it. Most investors buy on hype and tips. Buffett buys only what passes all 4 questions. Question 1. Do I actually understand this business? Buffett calls this his circle of competence, and he refuses to step outside it. If you cannot explain how a company makes money in one sentence, you skip it. Buffett avoided tech for decades simply because he did not understand it well enough. Question 2. Does this business have a durable moat? He wants an advantage that will still be standing in 10 or 20 years. If competitors can easily copy it, the profits will not last, and he passes. Question 3. Is management honest and capable with the owner's money? He reads years of shareholder letters to see if leaders tell the truth in bad times. A brilliant business run by crooks will still rob you blind. Question 4. Is the price well below what the business is worth? Even a wonderful company is a bad investment if you overpay for it. Buffett waits, sometimes for years, until a great business goes on sale. He compares it to baseball. You can stand at the plate and let bad pitches go by forever. There are no called strikes in investing, so you only swing at the perfect pitch. So the 4 questions are: do I understand it? Does it have a moat? Is management honest? Is it cheap? If a company fails, even one, Buffett walks away without regret. This is why he can reject 99 companies and feel no fear of missing out, because he knows the right pitch will eventually come. Run these 4 questions on every stock and your mistakes will collapse overnight. 4 questions, ruthless discipline. That is how Buffett says no to almost everything and still wins.